Maria! God, I actually wanna like get that outfit. It's so pretty. That's the only reason why I bought the skin in the first place. But I ended up really liking playing Maria because she's kind of like a troll. Like a troll, not troll pick, but a character you can troll with, you know what I mean? And just be a menace. Alright, we have a Leslie. Uh-oh. I should go in here. Lorewhy, we have met Virginia already, right? Or am I tripping? I don't know. But let's not make the same mistake I did last time and just do this.
Who are you? Got one.
Hey, who are you? So my goal is just to whisper to Grandpa, which...
I need to calm down.
Oh crap. Yeah, let's just let's hide here. There's no way he'll see me, right? What are you doing? What are you doing? Risky, risky. Did he stall out?
It's opened.
Hey! He's right there. The grandpa's inside. Okay. Let's get this. I didn't see him level up, but they do have a sissy, so they might level him up. I don't know where Leslie went. You go upstairs?
I should see what that is.
No, Virginia. I'm not Leslie. I'm not Leslie. Alright. We pop that open. I'll do this, because why not, you know? Alright. And then... Oh, he destroyed that? Yikes. Alright. Let's cut this down. That way we don't make noise when we're in here, you know? Uh-oh. They're already welling? Damn. I'm gonna check to see if the fuse is in here. It's not. Yeah, it's not. I gotta check if it's out there, but... Oh, I think it is. I fell. Can't see shit, bro. Let's calm down. I want to get all my stamina up for when I'm in here. Oh, you dummy. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I'm not really here to win. I never am. But I'm just gonna make sure my exits are secured. Whisper to this guy. Oh crap. Oh crap. What the hell? Go in here, go in here. Oh, well, I was gonna help, but hey.
You again?
The main gate to Ghost Town doesn't have a thing, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, never mind. It's already been done. Alright, I'm gonna see if someone's doing the door. Oh, no, they already did it. Let me double check they did it. Because last time that happened,
Carbetti, exit open. Carbetti, exit open.
I got screwed over. Thank you, Julie. Thank you, Julie. MVP for real, for real. I hate myself so much. Why am I like this? Oh yeah. This spot, if they turn it on, they won't get you. Trust me, they won't get you. I can't tell if that's the... Bro, is you being chased? Oh, she is.
I can leave, sunshine. We're not done here. Keep going. Ooh, look at all of this pretty blood monster.
Just fight her. Just fight her. I might die here. Alright, I'm outie. You should have just turned the car battery on. Alright. Second time at the mill. Oh, of course. Of course it doesn't spawn in there. And we don't even have a Leslie, so we could just go in that hole. In that hole right there. I guess we could just be waking up whoever. Okay. No, we gotta go fast. We gotta open these doors fast, because they're gonna come. They're gonna be like, ooh, I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna go brush downstairs. Like, alright, bitch. Like, I get rushing, but I don't know. Where are they? Okay, well, I'm gonna open that other exit that's over there. The big ladder. And then, oh, it's already open. Fucking thank God. So these rushers are actually really good at rushing. Okay. That is rare. But I'm not like actually upset when people rush and then they gets us all killed. It doesn't upset me because I should know how to like react to it. I just get so stuck into doing something a certain way that I don't want to do it another way, you know? Oh yeah, he's feeding grandpa. Uh-oh. Are you here with me? They're all over there right now. Sweet talk and then stab. And then we'll head to the other gate. Damn! She's cheating. She's cheating for sure. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And then... Go reset. I'll reset. Yes, he missed. He might come down here with me, but that's okay. Oh, there's no knife here? Oh, I was like, what? All right. I'll get this right here. They're gonna heavily patrol both those exits. So what I'm gonna do is probably the fuse. My only concern is that they're like, yeah, people are probably gonna escape right now. Let's see if Grandpa, or I know where Grandpa's at. I just need to see where the fuse box is. Not in here. All right. What the hell? I'm going back. Damn, okay. They're probably cheating though. That's what I'm thinking. I wasted all my stamina pretty quickly, but that's okay. Damn, they coming. I'm not leaving without them. All right. It's just Virginia. Why are we dancing back there? I have a bad habit of not wearing both my headphones. So my goal is to get that motherfucker killed. I hope Leland dies first. Leland might be the first one dead. Because if he was still talking the way he was talking in chat. He has true flight though. What is that? Oh, I fucking love that. I love that. I love that so much. Well, that's what your dumbass gets. That's what that motherfucker gets. If he wants to be racist as shit, people are gonna target him. I don't understand. Yeah, I can't cut these down. What the fuck? Where the hell is the thing? Oh, he's outside? Okay.
I did the bridge gate. It's a battery. This trash ass bones haul down the world. Try to chase somebody.
There's gonna be hella risky. Go for it! Are you serious? Well... Are you fucking serious? Alright. Uh-oh.
This bone is so negative, but I lost.
Do you know where the tank is?
The Valentine. I do not. But I did get the left bridge over the unlocked though.
Alrighty. Fuck! Get down! What the fuck? Get up, bitch! Get up! No! That's on me, that's on me. Go, let's go! Oh my god! He stalled out! Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Alright. I keep getting this mill map and I keep winning. Honestly, that last game I won out of pure like chance. Who's here? Oh, we do got a little Leslie. Fuck it, I guess. I hope I find Grandpa and I hope he's in the mill. Y'all better be good at rushing because this is fucked. We do have a motherfucker, right? A Johnny? Yeah, they're rushing. Bitch! Oh my god! I'm so sorry, girl. Oh my god. Damn, bitch. Damn, bitch. Leave me alone. No, we're not getting that. Fuck it. Where is he? Oh, he is inside. Okay. Dude, who are they playing as? Damn, bitches. Oh, I just love running into these. Alright, I gotta get a lock and then I gotta go. Oh my god. Alright, go in here. Yep. Go in here and leave. What are you gonna do about it? No, you bitch! Oh, he's gonna come down here. Go down, go down. Get up! Get up! Go through it! Go through it! Oh, Miss Girl. Oh, Miss Girl. And it's locked. Fucking go up. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Bitch, go. No. Get in there. Get in there. Woohoo. Woohoo. Go up. Go up. Oh, my God. Is he up here? Dude, what the fuck is this game? Open this and just go in there. What the fuck? No, they're looking at me too. Oh my god. What is this Leatherface? Just leave me alone. Give me like prep time or something. Oh no, he's coming. I'm fucking latching this. If she could open that up again, that'd be great. All right, let me get this. I don't know, man. I don't know. Drink this. It's not big, but it works. Isn't even down here with me anymore. All right, let's find the valve tank. I want to turn it on and create some sort of distraction. Oh, it's right here. Good. Or you know what? Might be better to just. Oh no. God, I was hoping to fucking Lord and Jesus that they did not see me. What the fuck? And the fact you didn't see me is crazy. All right, I gotta go whisper to him again. He sounds so close. For like no reason too. All right. Go up. Bitch, fuck. We got it. Just got a well. Just got a well. Wally, it's the only way! Lady, oh my goodness. Just go! I'm fucking dead here. I'm so dead. Bitch! Fuck! I'm so stupid. And he, oh my god. And the worst part is, yeah, I was in the middle of my show. I put my headphone back on. Wait, a gas station? Oh yeah, no. GG's. I never win on this map. It's very rare if I win on this map. People say gas station's like one of the better maps, but I think it's one of the worser maps. Oh. Yeah. Sissy might come downstairs. I know Sissy will come downstairs.
Okay, stay calm. Maybe I can.
I know you want to do it, but just save your lockpick, man. Yeah, just save your lockpick, girl. Is he out here? I don't think he is. The tank isn't over there either. I might just leave with her. Fuck it, you know?
Hey, I don't know who in California, bro, but did y'all just feel that earthquake? That's crazy.
We had an earthquake? Where?
Yeah, in the Bay Area, San Francisco.
Oh, yeah. I'm in LA, so.
Okay.
But be careful, y'all. They.
LA, but I didn't feel anything.
That's crazy. I'm on like the 5th floor. I'm just like, what the fuck? My husband was like, babe. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay. I was like, whoa.
I think I lost him.
You're dancing. Uh-oh.
Please don't let
Hey.
that thing come back.
Oh no. We good. How do we do it?
Where are they? It's too.
I love this.
Please don't let them find me.
When I say hate or love, honestly, it's just I'm very passionately for or against it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go! Get the points!
Someone.
Dude.
Someone help us. Please, honey.
Yeah. It was a race to the end. We were like, go. Do we have a Leatherface? We don't. Alright, so these bitches better not rush. Dude, I swear there's never one here no more. Alright. Where does... Yeah, I know where he spawns now. The Johnny spawns in graveyard, so we don't have that much time before we get all the locks done. I probably shouldn't be running, but I just want to make sure we get out of here as fast as possible, you know? Oh yeah, they got a game plan. You see them? Alright, let's open cold room. Oh, someone already did. Let's get bone scrap instead. Okay. He's outside. He's on the porch thingy. I'm not entirely sure what you would call that, but yeah, he's up there. And they know we're rushing. What? Oh, that was... that was that. Okay. Alright. We'll spam, but yeah, we'll spam. I'm sure they're gonna feed Grandpa because they have bones. Unless they really keep them on their toes, then I won't. I won't need the bone scrap. But it's better to have it just because we have a... Oh no, wait. I don't need the bone, actually. Alright.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
Doesn't look like he did. Alright. Come on. Yeah, boy, you better protect me. Bro, we're all escaping this route.
It's opened.
Fuck! I got stuck. This is so stupid. Fuck. But we don't have the... Oh. Yeah, I gotta go.
Not you again.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. I'll have to go to the other side. No. Yeah, I need this. I really need this. We just need the last door and then the battery. I'm gonna see if there's health in this side. There should be. There should at least be 2 big bottles. Or oh, I didn't need that. I didn't open this, right? Oh my god, Maria! You know what? No, that's on me. That's on me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl. You turned it back on. There should be another one up there. I'm gonna go up the ladder. Set this down. Alright. We gotta stab him. I'll take this. And I'll actually stab Grandpa before, no, you know what? That's probably not a good idea. I'm like half. So, yeah, we'll go down. And I'll actually get this. Just in case I need to fight. I don't think I'm gonna get to a gate. And if I do, well, other people are doing it, so. I wish there was a way, like, if Bones were to jump down with you in the well, and someone's there, like, they could stab him in the back and keep him down or something. That'd be fucking funny, dude. Where did he escape from? Oh, they're all going. Oh, they stabbed him. Alright, my job is not needed. Yeah, they're gonna turn on the thing. He's distracted. I'm gonna open this and then just go down the well. And they fed Grandpa too, so I'm gonna go stab him. Maybe not. They're such sore losers. Alright, I'm gonna follow Leland. Wait, Wyatt. What? What? Don't make me lay with him. Ugh. The whole reason I'm fucking here in the first place.
Grill them bones. Gonna lick your brain like an ice cream.
What? That's funny. We're already touching X. Uh-uh. Uh-uh.
Okay.
Be outie. Alright, we're doing a couple noodles. Let's go. Lose. Is the thing open on the left? Nope, it's not. You fucking shitting me? I just wanted to close the door. This is boof as fuck, bro. Yeah, he's not up there. I can tell.
Open that door. I can get through here.
No, I'm not going through there. What could he be destroyed?
What was that? Hi, please don't be Johnny. Thing.
Huh?
I need to hide.
Wait. Where the fuck is this guy? No, he was not. I can't believe I fucking. Oh my god. I went over there for no reason. Oh, I could see him right there. I gotta wait. Already?
No, he turned it on. What a motherfucker. I forgot there's hands. I forgot there's hands. You gotta be kidding me, bro. I literally forgot there's hands in this game, dude. I just fucked up.
You got this. Why would he trap that though instead of a
Oh,
gate?
someone's in the fuse.
Oh, nice. Okay. Let's go.
Come on. Come on. No, no. No, no. Please. Let's go. Oh my god. I'm right next to the exit. Alright. I don't know if this, like, I'm not really good with audio, which is funny because I'm trying to be, like, better. Alright. I'm gonna get this and then give the rest to Connie. Fuck it, I guess. Here, you take that. Even if Leatherface wanted to, he can't get to me right here. That's some things you gotta look out for, like, if he doesn't know your location and he can't really get to you yet, get outie. That does suck for her, though. We do have a hands. Okay. He's outside? Okay. I wanna Help crack some doors open. Let's whisper to Grandpa. Like the one time I don't want to use my ability and he ended up being right there, you know? I was like, okay. Alright. We'll go here. Damn, Virginia, you get him! What the fuck? Nope. 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 Get out of my way. I was like pushing it backwards. I don't know what's going on. I gotta keep this on me. Set this down. Oh, okay. Dude, I'm so mad. What is this? Oh, unlock tool? Is he inside? No. He must have heard that. I would have heard that. Oh. Okay, okay. They did destroy this. Okay. Cool. YOLO. Yeah, we gotta go out of here. Woohoo. Woohoo. I can't tell if he was following me. Yep, he is. No? I don't know what that motherfucker's doing. It's okay, Maria. It's okay. It wasn't your fault. These stupid ass people who decided they liked to taste of human flesh and shit. Damn. What's pissing me off is that they haven't fed Grandpa, so I can't use my perk. Which, by the way, I'm doing bomb squad, extra toughness, and then stabbing Grandpa gives me health. Yep, he for sure saw me. Woo! Yeah! Get in there! Oh shit! Why? We gotta stop running into each other like that. Oh crap! Yeah, we're going down. We're going down. Woohoo! That hitch was like, "I'll chase you. Please let this be open." You not. Fuck you. Fuck you. I can't mash my finger fast enough. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Woohoo. I can't believe I did it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Just go back down. Finally. God. Disable it. Attempt 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. Fuck it, bitch. Fuck. Go. Go, go, go. Woohoo. Run. Yeah, they're gonna go around. They're absolutely gonna go around. That's still intact? Great. Great. Oh, Leslie, you missed one.
Okay.
Oh, and they have another one that you. Okay, cool. Okay, I had to make sure I wasn't playing with the Arctic because I was like, damn, who does a play like that? So risky. Is there health in here? Okay, I gotta go sweet talk Grandpa. Guess who's back? Back again. Lady's back. Tell a friend. It's just us.
This is all my fault.
Risky, but I'm doing it. I didn't get any help from that. Little boof, if you ask me.
Get away from these monsters.
They got you too? What the hell is going on here?
Bro, I'm sorry. I just sometimes like things happen and it's just like how funny it is. Like I find it funny personally. Damn. Alright. Unlatch this because okay, there's no more health down here, so we really gotta be careful. No, baby girl, it's not your fault. I always say this. Wyatt, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh wait, one sec. I'm getting chased by Hitch. The main gate to Jen, it's like done. I think he just zapped it. But you have to do the last gate and then, or you just have to do the gates or the Jen and the Jen.
I don't know where there's another damn valve. I've used both and he's ripped both of them.
I'm gonna do the main gate to battery. I'm gonna do the main gate to battery so that they're like checking both sides. Are you fucking serious?
There's a trap there. There's a trap there, so be careful. I'm trying to do the container side right now. But he's got both traps on this bitch.
Alrighty. Hands is at the main gate.
Okay, I'm taking one trap off.
Alright. He's going back over to container bridge. Hands is going to container bridge.
Alright, that one part is open to the battery, and I'm taking them all with me to the opposite side. Oh, they got me.
Oh. This time I do gotta be quiet. What? Why are you coming over here? Alright. Ugh. Dude. Alright. Damn, I need to be quieter. He knows I'm back here? Get away from me! Get away from— I'm not gonna win. Oh, I'm so not gonna win. Get out of my face. Get through. Get through. Woohoo. Fuck. Get off me. Dummies. Yeah, I gotta— the only health that I know is in the motherfucker. Damn. In the house. Oh yeah, no, I might pass out soon. I think it's GG's, honestly.
I know this place. I can find a way out.
Oh no, he's like, what the fuck? The way he runs back.